Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Gmail account. First, log into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner. You'll see your profile icon, either your photo or initials. Click on it, and then select Manage Your Google Account. Next, navigate to the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the option that says Delete Your Google Account. Click on it, and Google will ask you to verify your identity to make sure it's really you. After verification, follow the prompts to permanently delete your account. Keep in mind, once deleted, you will lose all emails, files, and data associated with your account. So make sure to back up anything important before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Gmail account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay safe.